Okay, I told you that the next video would be about inserting custom shapes. And so if you look on the toolbar over here, you're going to need um, two custom shapes in your project. It may look like this when you go down just, and just click and hold and go to custom shape tool. And then what's going to happen is when you look up here on the options bar, you're going to see a lot of different options here. And aquatic animals, farm animals, vehicles, and so on. When you put these things together, I found you just gotta really take your time and research it. But I'm just going to do it quickly, and I wanted to do a Humvee. Okay, so I'm just going to click here on the background. I'm going to click cancel because that was going to draw it for me. But right now, you have to look at the colors. Now, if you have an older version of Photoshop, I don't believe you have to do the stroke color and the fill color. It's usually just the fill color. So, but I chose white for both. And I'm just going to put the Humvee down here and then push enter. And I can drop it down like that. But that, what it's going to do though is pick up whatever um, background you have. So it's picking up the color from the background through the windows and through the wheels, which is a nice feature. Um, but I want to change that. So I'm going to delete the layer and I'm just going to put a red one in there. So again, back to here, red, red, and you can experiment with this, guys. Try different settings here and see what happens if you change the fill layer, etc. Okay. Now I believe these um, boxes here are for the warp tool, but I'm not going to mess with that right now because we don't have the time. So I'm just going to push enter, and then you still have the option because it created another layer of stretching it out, holding down shift, changing the shape and all that. Also, you can move it around and you'll see right here that the layers underneath the moon layer, if you wanted to put something on top of the moon, all you would have to do is move that layer on top of the other layer so it would show up. So that's just the basics of putting custom shapes in.